Again, on today, Monday, U.S. administers first doses of Pfizer coronavirus vaccine. Yes, you heard me. Today is the day. First day of the vaccine here in the United States. Let's get into it. The rollout of the first coronavirus vaccine began Monday morning as the first doses of the Pfizer medication was administered to healthcare workers and nursing home staffers. A critical care nurse from Northwell LIJ Medical Center on Long Island was vaccinated at 9:23 a.m. this morning during a live stream event with New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. Andrew Cuomo said to her, "You didn't even flinch." ABC News photo of Sandra Lindsay. She's an RN, a critical care nurse at Long Island Jewish Medical Center, is the first person to be vaccinated in New York. December 14, 2020. The University of Louisville Hospital in Kentucky will receive its first delivery of vaccine this morning at 9:30 and 10:30. 3 doctors and 2 nurses will receive the vaccine. Other locations in Connecticut, New York, Iowa, Washington, Michigan will also receive their vaccine today. So let's look at what's inside of the vaccine. So what's inside of the vaccine is a substance called mRNA. So with the mRNA, it's a new approach pretty much to vaccines. mRNA vaccines take advantage of the process that cells use to make proteins in order to trigger an immune response and build immunity to SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. In contrast, most vaccines use weakened or inactivated versions of components of the disease-causing pathogen to stimulate the body's immune response to create antibodies. mRNA vaccines have strands of genetic material called mRNA inside a special coating. That coating protects the mRNA from enzymes in the body that will otherwise break it down. It also helps the mRNA enter the muscle cells near the vaccine site. mRNA can most easily be described as instructions for the cell on how to make a piece of the spike protein that is unique to SARS-CoV-2. Since only part of the protein is made, it does not do any harm to the person vaccinated, but it is an antigenic. After the piece of the spike protein is made, the cell breaks down the mRNA strand and disposes of them using enzymes in the cell. It is important to note that the mRNA strand never enters the cell's nucleus or affects genetic material. This information helps counter misinformation about how mRNA vaccines alter or modify someone's genetic makeup. So yes, that's the biggest question. A lot of people was wondering, like, how is this going to affect my DNA? Will this affect my cells in my body? So basically, the mRNA is going to be sending signals directly to your cells without damaging your cells or without entering your cells. So it's almost like sending something in your body to activate the cells in your body to go ahead and start working, to go ahead and start fighting this thing off. You know what I mean? So it's almost like a act and response type mechanism. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, this is what it is, man. This is where we at right now. The mRNA vaccine is out. It's here. Today is the day. First Americans getting their shots. Let me know what you think. Do you plan on taking a shot? Do you not plan on taking a shot? Let me know what you think, man. Like, share, subscribe. Black Truth, and I'm out.